Welcome to our channel Premac Foods. Let's get started on making Premac millet noodles. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and cooking oil to the boiling water. Now add Premac millet noodles. Let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Drain the excess water and then rinse under running water. In a hot pan, add cooking oil and sauté onions, tomatoes, and desired vegetables for a few minutes. Add a little salt if you add more vegetables, otherwise, there is no need since our taste maker masala has enough salt. Add taste maker masala. Now add the cooked noodles to the vegetables and mix thoroughly. Serve it hot. Enjoy your healthy meal. Thanks for watching.